So a few days back, we were discussing ADA's potential in this range, where price could end up running to, and something interesting occurred. I want to show you guys this. Now, this is a video again I did a few days ago, and we referenced this exact moment where the market was going to get strong and make this move to the upside. We have something about to happen. All right. If BTC ends up breaching 28K, which it looks like it has a good chance of doing so far, ADA is going to break this 20-day moving average. This is a range that ADA has struggled with basically since the start of August. All right. So it's been almost 2 months since we've been really truly locked in above the 20-day moving average. This would be a very bullish move for ADA. And what it likely means is that we would breach this trend line that we've been on, and we have the potential of actually breaching the top of this buy box. Okay. So if we look at where ADA is at right now, we can see that it followed this exact path. It had this bullish momentum. We've broken through again these moving averages. We broke all the way through this buy box, and now we are in fact testing this top long-term trend line. Right now, if you guys have watched any of my other videos, assets across the space are in fact testing these right now. And it's because we are preparing for a bigger move across the broader crypto market. BTC did in fact breach that 28K. We're again above this 20-month moving average. This is very big for crypto because this is where we could finally get that bull market confirmation. You could start to see sentiment shift. Right now, we've almost gone back to the bullish side of market sentiment, which is an insane move for just a day. I check this every day. I believe yesterday we were in the high 30s. So that's just how strong of a movement this has been. And BTC is just melting faces right now, okay? What you need to realize is there are a few things that could happen here. We could get further short positions liquidated. That's what you see right here. This is massive short positions going through liquidations, probably, hundreds of millions of dollars worth of liquidations. And that is still potentially above us here. If we look back at what has happened throughout this year, if we look back at what has happened here, you can see back in March, we went through massive short liquidations. If we look at back in June, massive short liquidations. That same potential lies right here. While we're sitting at 28.3 for BTC, if it gets just a little more strength, we could have liquidations all the way up above 32K, bringing in a new high for the year, which would actually put us pretty close to where I thought we'd end the year, which is $35,000 to $40,000 BTC. Some of the macro factors surrounding the market on the outside haven't been quite good enough for us to get to those levels, but if that does happen, all these assets are going to break these long-term trend lines. We're going to end up somewhere up in here for ADA if we do break and create a new yearly high. That's where there's a lot of no man's land up here, guys. We don't know where we're going to be. Obviously, there's big support and resistance around this 36 to 38 cent level, something to break through there, but just be prepared. Over the next probably, I'd say, week and a half or to 2 weeks, we're going to know whether we are in fact going to fall to close out the year or whether we're going to continue this trend that we're on right now, this bullish momentum, and see if we can create some new highs. So appreciate you as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.